Don't try this at home, boys. I think I got myself into a little quandary here, you see. I got it about halfway off. My tightly wrapped strap has gone all loosey-goosey, you see. So yes, I'm, if you don't hear from me in an hour's time, I'm squashed, you see. Can't even drop the on there because of the back. What a load of flaps. Bit of a sketchy, well, it was all nice and tight until obviously I started lifting it. But you'll see that, yeah, it's all loose. The wood's kind of straightened out. The wood's bent. So it's slowly coming off. The hillbilly way of removing it. So yeah, I've kind of got to get it all the way out of there and drop it down without, without it kind of falling off this point here. So yeah, wish me luck. Right, so the hillbilly ways worked pretty well, to be fair. Managed to get it down. There was a lot of swearing, which is why I've not recorded doing it. But I've got it kind of on a pre-made dolly, which I wired up yesterday. Basically takes the two front and two rear mounts. Obviously the back's a bit higher usually because it's on a bit of an angle, but doesn't really matter. It's good enough to kind of work on for what I need to do. So yeah, we're all happy with that. So yeah, basically that's the cab off. Chassis looking like this. Now the next thing I've got to do, with literally no room as you can see, is try to get this rear bed off. So the back's been done about as sketchy as the front, to be honest. If you have a look around, lifted the rear with an engine crane, got a chock of wood smashed here, and then over that side there's a chock of wood literally sat on top of another one. And this is kind of what's supporting it at the minute. But basically that's allowed me to roll the frame out and take some measurements off the frame, and then we can get rid of that.